Ready to flutter your wings and land in the city where even Lucifer thought, this place is heavenly? Welcome to 10,777 Ashton, Los Angeles, where student living hits a whole new level of awesomeness. Located near Westwood Village, this top-notch accommodation offers fully furnished co-living apartments with shared and private bedrooms for you to choose from. In each room, you'll find a comfy bed, beautiful closets, a television set for those binge-worthy series nights, and high-speed Wi-Fi for seamless streaming. And for those moments when you crave a taste of home, the fully equipped kitchen with a refrigerator, oven, and stovetop has got you covered. And here's the best part. Live worry-free with complimentary street parking, laundry services, so your weekends aren't all about laundry drama, and a balcony for those chill moments with a cuppa. Talking about location, 10,777 Ashton is not just perfectly placed near the University of California and ELS language centers, Santa Monica. You're also surrounded by awesome eateries like Westwood Thai Cafe, Groundwork Coffee Co., and more. With bus stops like Glendon Ave and Wilshire Boulevard practically winking at you, saving time and money is the new cool. So if you're ready to turn your student life into a Hollywood blockbuster, hop on over to amberstudent.com and secure your spot at 10,777 Ashton. See you on Cloud 9.